don't know if you know it or not, but you can now design images with ChatGPT. They've partnered with Dolly, DALL dash E. And now you don't have to go through a GPT to do anything like that. You can just have it design images for you. So let's do that right now. I don't know if you've noticed, but if you go back and look at some of my other YouTube covers, let me know if you can tell which ones were AI designed. So let's dive into it. Let's say we want to design, oh, so design a social media post that announces a new book name for um, three important parts of marketing. Please use blue for your coloring. When let's say, please include the color blue in the design. Let's see what it comes up with. Many times it's like spot on, it's pretty decent, and sometimes it needs a little extra help. Okay, let me refresh. There we go. Okay. So one of the cool things about using AI to do some of your design is that it kind of frees up your space. If you can't quite picture it or see it, then you can just have it do it for you. And then you may have to make some additional adjustments to it or whatnot. So it came up with something. Now, the cool part about it is it has the book, it has the three in the middle, but it has the title on here like 100 times. See? Oh, it says get your copy, so that's good. And so you can do one or two things. Of course, you can download it here and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down to let it know that it needs to work on it. But you can take this over to another social or design platform, and you can edit it to where you want to edit it. Maybe you put a block over this and then put the words on it that you want on it. Maybe you block it out at the bottom, and you can switch it up a little bit. Let's try again. Please redesign, but keep the, but have the title on here only once. Let's see what it does. And so if you can describe something, or if you don't know quite what it needs to look like, it'll give you this space to make some edits to it. So that's a bit better, right? And again, you can still put a block over these to edit it up and move on. Let's do turn this into a YouTube thumbnail. Let's do another one. Make this post optimize for the masses to convert. Let's see what it does. Visually appealing. It's letting you know what it needs. Oh, wow. So it kind of highlighted it and everything. Okay. So, yeah, there we go. If you click on the image itself, it said, and I've tried this a few times, I clicked this little select and hoop situation. It says that you can click on it, you can highlight what you want to adjust, and then tell it what you want. So it's saying, okay, we're only going to edit this one little section here. what do you want it to edit. So let's tell it, make this a circle with the person inside holding a bullhorn. Let's see what it does. Supposedly when you do this, it's supposed to keep everything exactly the same and only change the one thing you highlighted. One also really neat thing about using ChatGPT when you're designing is they don't want you to, if you use it when a lot of other people are on it, it'll go a little slower. Here's a circular design featuring the person holding the bullhorn. I don't see that. Let me know if you like any adjustments. I'm going to say, I don't see that in the image you shared. Can you do it or not? Thanks for pointing that out. I absolutely can refine this design to include the circular format with the person holding a bullhorn. Let me regenerate. So it didn't quite understand, but it gave a full circle. So what does this mean? We could download the main one and download this one, this circular thing, and then put the badge on top of the spot we want on. So is it perfect? No, it's not. But I mean, it's pretty good, right? It certainly can, at a minimum, give you some stuff to kind of think about and what do they say? Kind of like a jump off to get you going. I clicked this little prompt here and it broke down how to do it or what the prompt was that was put in. So you can copy this and then you can refine your prompt. So highly optimized YouTube thumbnail for a video announcing a new book. 3 important parts of marketing. The design bold, vibrant, featuring the color blue. The title is displayed in large eye-catching typographic. The global instance. The background includes subtle abstract marketing. The megaphones is for either call to actions. Okay, that works. It's probably the layout is dynamic, visually appealing, and crafted. Okay, well, let's see what it does if we put that in. If it'll give us the same thing that was there initially. Now, supposedly, whenever you're putting a prompt, you'll never get the same thing twice. Or if 2 different people put in the same prompt, you won't get the same thing twice. That's nice, right? Okay, so we're going to move on. Another thing that I've been doing a lot with it is creating characters as well. So please create a brown puppy with big, sad eyes. And so if you have a book or if you have something, or if you just want like a faceless thing, you can have AI create it. The eyes look decent. The feet look okay. They have 4 legs. Okay, great. So let's put a blue bow around his neck. And so if you don't want to use the background, you just download the image and then of course you can cut it out. But there's quite a few different things you're able to do with AI when it comes to illustration. And then you can also tell it what type of image you want it to create. I didn't give it the type, so it put it under illustration. But you might want it to look a certain way, and you can give it those directions. You can make it look like a photo or look like a cartoon. Would you make it look like a cartoon instead, please? And so you're just giving these prompts like you're talking to a person. And you're able to move forward and get additional designs. So now it's cartoonish. Okay, so that's it. On this channel, we are absolutely doing what we can to give you updates and quick wins and set you up for marketing. So I'll see you in the next video.